I'm responding to a request from one of my viewers, Niran. If you'd like me to create something specific, feel free to leave a comment. On my project panel, you can see 2 images of Keanu Reeves. Let's drag and drop them onto the timeline. This effect works best if you have a stable background with proper alignment. Click on the preview monitor and press Ctrl or Command+R to bring up the ruler. Click and drag on the ruler to set guidelines. Now, scale up the first image and adjust the position and rotation values if needed. Once done, hide the rulers. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for the Morph cut. Drag it and drop it between the 2 faces. Let's decrease the transition duration. I'm providing just 8 frames. It will analyze, which might take some time. Wait until it's done. You'll see a red line. So let's render our sequence by hitting the Enter key. And this is what you will end up with.